We are Chris and Julia Marcum from the design website Chris Loves Julia. We have been sharing our home renovations since 2012.
We love to teach other people how they can update their own homes so that everybody can love where they live, wherever that may be. One of the things I think was most impressive to us about Brava is that they were on everybody's list. When we were talking with designers about doing our home and figuring out who we wanted to work with, every single one of them had Brava as a material that they loved to use.
It looked like the real thing to me right off the bat. And the cool thing was that Studio McGee, who we worked with on the exterior design, she also got samples, and we both chose weathered separately, and then we came together and I was like, I'm really liking this weathered one, and she's like, oh, that's the one I would recommend. So it kind of worked out perfectly, and it was really, really helpful to see several sizes, which made it easier to see how these were going to layer and line up against each other.
So Justin, our roofer, very dedicated to making the roof look its absolute best. From the very beginning, he was excited to work with the product. He has been so impressed with Brava and its quality and treated it the way, I guess just with a lot of respect. He loved the product, loved working with it, and we could tell was very proud of the end result. For us, because it is the roof of our home, that is what is taking the brunt of all the elements day in, day out. And we knew it's not something that anybody would regret having on their house.
You know, it's not an asphalt roof in a timeline. It does take extra time.
And lasts a couple extra decades, so it's a fair trade.
This definitely feels like a designer secret. It feels like something that all these designers and architects that we talked to knew about, but us as homeowners didn't. And so I feel like I want to shout it out to everyone, like, this product exists. It's available to you too. And this is the thing that all the designers are talking about.
The product being on a home is peace of mind. And that is something that, I mean, I'll recommend it to people in the grocery store. I'll recommend it to anybody because it's just such a great product.